All is well, you?
I am excellent. So for people who are meeting you for the first time on video, what is your first and last name and what do you do here at Schaafsma? What's your title?
My name is Greg Kippen and I'm a comfort consultant.
Now, Greg, what drew you to this industry?
Well, I actually went to school for heating and air conditioning. So yeah, I got into the business because it's what was my chosen field.
And so what year is that?
That was 1982 that I went to school.
Did you love it instantaneously? Like what happened? Tell me what happened when you get out of school.
Started off as an installer, and that wasn't by design. It was just the company that hired me was looking for an installer. And I think that's the best way to go, because when you're an installer, you gain the basic knowledge of heating and air conditioning, how to install the equipment. And then from there, that company had an opening in the service department, and I became a service technician. And I did that for 10 years.
Okay, so what's your favorite part of this job?
I really like going into homes and helping homeowners solve issues that they have in their homes. Every homeowner has a problem, whether it's a comfort issue, whether they have high energy bills. So that's what I enjoy, is hearing about those. And working for this company, they provided the training and the tools to be able to identify what's causing those problems and to be able to solve them. That's what I enjoy.
So I'm going to throw kind of a curveball in here just because of the length of time you've been in the industry.
Yeah.
You know, in the time that you've been in the industry, is there one or two things that we're doing now that is shocking and exciting to you that you would not have even considered in 1986?
We now know correctly sizing equipment is very important. We now know that the duct system needs to support the airflow at the right pressure. Measuring those things, having the ability to design those things, those have been overlooked for years. And quite honestly, they're still overlooked by a lot of companies.
So speaking of that, let's say we take that comfort consultant appointment and we make it shorter. If we made it shorter, what sort of things is a customer losing out on?
It depends, and that time frame depends on the size house. So I do want to share we are mindful of the homeowner's time, right? Time is valuable. We keep it moving. We're moving as quickly as we can, but we want to be thorough, because if we don't do part of the process and there's an issue down the road, we would rather have known about the issue up front versus trying to solve it afterwards, right?
Can you share with me maybe 2 or 3 things that customers consistently say that they love about dealing with Schaafsma Heating and Cooling?
Well, I love getting feedback from homeowners where they are more comfortable in their house. That's a very common thing. And why it's satisfying is because they're often told that there's no solution to their problem, right? So that's very satisfying. Hey, wow, we're way more comfortable. Our utility bills we're not overpaying any longer on our utilities. That's going to become a bigger deal, we're hearing, right? So big deal. And then just respectful, courteous people that they're there when they said they're going to be. They clean up after themselves. So they do enjoy having our people in the home.